Data brokers operate in the shadows, collecting information about individuals. Every online action is tracked, from social media to search engine queries. Mobile apps often request access to personal data, including location and contacts. Users typically accept these terms without fully understanding the implications. Data brokers then analyze and package this information for advertisers. Identity graphs are created, mapping individual behaviors and preferences. Ad targeting becomes increasingly precise, using this collected data. Digital advertising dashboards display detailed analytics on user engagement. Meanwhile, data centers store vast amounts of personal information on servers. Cybersecurity measures are put in place to protect this sensitive data. However, concerns arise about the trade-offs between convenience and privacy. As individuals navigate the online world, their digital footprints are being monitored. Data brokers construct complex identity graphs to track individual behaviors. Your online activities are monitored through various digital touchpoints daily. Mobile apps often request access to sensitive information and permissions. Abstracted app permission screens can obscure the true extent of data sharing. Advertisers leverage this data to create targeted ad campaigns and profiles. Digital advertising dashboards display intricate networks of user interactions. Data privacy settings can be confusing, leading to unintended data exposure. Behind the scenes, data center servers store and process vast amounts of information. Cybersecurity dashboards monitor potential threats to this sensitive data ecosystem. Smartphones, with their numerous app icons, have become primary data collection tools. Ad analytics charts reveal the effectiveness of targeted marketing efforts. As individuals navigate the online world, they must weigh convenience against privacy concerns. Data brokers construct detailed profiles using identity graphs and tracking data. Your online activities are monitored and analyzed to create targeted advertisements. Ad targeting machines rely on vast amounts of personal data to influence decisions. Mobile apps often request extensive permissions, raising significant privacy concerns. Digital advertising dashboards utilize complex algorithms to optimize ad placement. Data privacy settings can be confusing, making it difficult to control personal data. Data center servers store and process vast amounts of information, including personal data. Cybersecurity dashboards monitor potential threats, but may not address data misuse. Smartphone users often unknowingly consent to data collection through app permissions. Ad analytics charts demonstrate the effectiveness of targeted marketing efforts online. Privacy trade-offs are a growing concern, as convenience often outweighs security. Ultimately, understanding how data brokers operate is crucial to protecting personal information. Convenience often outweighs security concerns, leading to a significant privacy trade-off. Mobile apps frequently request access to personal data, including location and contacts. Digital advertising dashboards utilize this information to deliver personalized ads. Data privacy settings can be complex, making it difficult to control shared information. Data centers store vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about security. Cybersecurity measures are implemented to protect against potential data breaches. Ad targeting relies on sophisticated algorithms to maximize effectiveness. Understanding how data brokers operate is crucial to protecting personal information. Individuals must weigh the benefits of convenience against the risks of data exposure. By examining the inner workings of data brokerage, individuals can make informed decisions. Your online activities are monitored and analyzed for targeted advertising purposes. Every app and website you visit contributes to your digital footprint. Mobile app permissions often grant access to sensitive personal information. Ad targeting relies on sophisticated algorithms and machine learning models. Digital advertising dashboards provide real-time insights into user behavior. Data privacy settings can be complex and difficult to navigate effectively. Data centers store vast amounts of personal data, raising security concerns. Cybersecurity measures are essential to protect against data breaches and leaks. Individuals must carefully consider the trade-offs between convenience and privacy. Regaining control over personal data requires a proactive and informed approach. By understanding how data brokers operate, individuals can make more informed decisions. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.